What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to install the Flexplate and change out the torque converter seal. I'm trying to do it right away because later on this week it's going to get hot. It's going to be about 90 to 100 degrees and I don't want to work in the heat. I don't have AC in my garage, so I'm going to try and tackle this as soon as possible. So I opened the instructions and they come with ARP bolts, which is a good thing. Make sure you put Loctite on this if you install it, if you buy one of these and install it. The instructions says that the ARP bolts need 80 foot-pounds of torque for the flex plate. And this is interesting right here. The torque converter bolts don't have a torque specification. So when you install your torque converter, just put it on and make sure you're comfortable with it. And I guess just go back over it and retighten them as you drive your car. And what else is this? This right here is the receipt. This is how much I paid for it. Now, I'm not trying to step on anyone's toes right now, but if you buy it through Fast Intentions, you will get it a lot cheaper than buying it through Z1, Concept Z, or anyone who sells this flex plate. So just a little tip for you guys: buy it directly through Fast Intentions in California. They will give you the best price and ship it to you right away. You don't have to wait so long. It'll save you about 70 to 80 bucks. So yeah, we're gonna put it on pretty soon. Just stay tuned and enjoy the video, guys. So if you guys want to learn how to take off this torque converter seal, the easiest way is to get a drill and just drill a hole through it like this, all the way till it goes through. And you want to get one of these screws, and then just put it on there. I'm trying to do this with one hand, sorry guys. Right here. And then just screw it, just like this.
You have to put it on the tranny first. But I don't know how he can't do it that way. You know why?
Oh man, I think I have to make the hole bigger.
No, I'm gonna tell you why.
Alright, so we got the original flex plate out. This how it looks like. Here's the Fast Intentions one.
No. It's not smaller.
It's a big difference, guys. This thing really flexes. And this right here, it's not made to really flex. It's supposed to be like real solid. So, yeah, about to put it on right now. Actually, let's see. Alright, so I finally got this fucking seal off. Usually I get a drill like this and I drill right in the middle. And then I would screw this. And then it would just like slowly come out. But I fucked it up. This is how it looks like now.
You gotta go hold the fucking thing. You gotta go hold the fuck.
You can see how many times I tried to do it and I fucked up. So,
What is it? Alvin, 80?
80 pounds of torque. So my friend told me that this torque converter seal is the same exact as the G37 transmission, but that's not true. It's actually bigger. I bought this from Nissan and I tried putting it in and it was too loose. So I did the comparison and it's slightly bigger in diameter. So if you put a VR transmission, make sure you buy the VR seals, not the G37 seals, not the VQ seals. And also you want to change this O-ring on the shaft. This is the old one right here. This might be the reason why it was leaking, because it's all worn out. So I'm gonna replace it. I got this O-ring set. Good to have one of these. Amazon, it's like $10. So I'm gonna put this brand new O-ring onto the shaft. And just like that, guys. Brand new O-ring. Way better than what it was before. Look at that. It was all flat. It was all flattened and thinned out. This one's gonna hold the seal real good now. Hold it. What's it? Oh, you're holding it, Armand? Okay. Hold on, let me check them over.
So, what's your decision? You want to put it on or no?
I don't know, dude.
Put it on the fucking thing.
You want to put it on the flywheel, I don't know?
It's exposed. It's easier to. Armand don't want to do fucking double work, but look. Okay. Fuck, that's hard, dude. I don't know how you were gonna do that.
It's even hard right now.
Yeah, I know.
We're gonna try this way. So.
Okay.
Shit is going. Alright, so we just got done with the G. Thanks to my nephews and nieces. Right? Look at this guy. Look at Joey. Huh? What did we just do, guys?
We fixed
What do you mean we fixed it? What did we do? What did we just do right now?
Put the oil tank transmission.
And then what?
We put the exhaust on.
We put the exhaust on. And Aubrey, she helped pump the oil. That's the most important job. This is how it looks like. Super clean. All gaskets changed with the new Fast Intentions Flexplate. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start the car because everyone wants to hear it. So let's start it up, guys. No leaks, no drips so far. Everything's looking good, guys. Give me 5, guys. Give me 5. Yeah. Good job, Ben. This is my nephew's car right here, guys. We all have Infinitis. We also have an M37, but that's at the other house. I'll make a video on all our cars later, guys. I'm just so happy that we got the Jeep back up and running. Now we're gonna go cruise. We're gonna go race people. Just kidding, guys. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.